Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make short videos longer for Instagram. First, you will need to go into your device browser. Then you are going to type in Kapwing. You want to go on kapwing.com. Once on Kapwing, you can sign in for their free plan with your Google account. Then tap on Create New Project, and you're going to tap on Click to Upload, and from here you can select from your photo gallery. For example, let's tap on Photo Library, and I will select a short video, for example this one right here. After you have selected the video and it has been loaded on, you'll simply press down on the video in the timeline. Then you're going to tap on Copy. After you have copied the video that you would like to make longer, you're going to scroll along to the right. Then you're going to tap at the end of the video. And from here, you're going to press down on the timeline again. Then you're going to select Paste. So now, instead of the video being 13 seconds long, you can see it's now 26 seconds long. Next, you are going to tap on Export at the top of the screen, right where you see the green button. And from here, you can select MP4 as you have seen right there. Then you'll tap on Export as MP4. And you can see that it is loading. And it's watermark free. After your video has been downloaded, you can upload it now to Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.